how to make Camtasia interactive by adding hotspots. Okay, so what I did here is I have 13 content slides. I built these out in PowerPoint, saved them as images, and so I'm doing absolutely zero building within Camtasia. I just imported those images, and all I have to do now is add hotspots. Before I add hotspots, what I wanted to do is come down to this little button here, and we have two options, marker or quiz. I chose marker, and I want to add these markers to the beginning of each slide and give them a unique name over here. Alright, so when we add our hotspots, these markers are going to tell us, where we're going to jump to. Alright, and then, for example, in the title slide, we go to Annotations, Interactive Hotspots, and you can add your hotspots here, which I've already done. And then over here in the properties, we want to pause at end, marker, and then we have the names of all our markers, which I've already done. Title slide, table of contents, yada yada yada. Okay, and you can also test these. I'm clicked on here. I want to go to the next slide. Yep, that works. I put a transition at the beginning of every slide, but not at the end, because if this goes through, let's take a look. This will play till the end, and if it plays to the end with a transition on there, it'll be black. So we don't want a transition on the end, just on the beginning, if you even want that. Alright, so let's take a look at another slide here. On these slides I have 3 interactive hotspots. One to go back to the table of contents. Oops. And a forward and backwards at the end here. Alright. So when we want to produce, we go to Share, Local File. I just use custom production settings. Next, MP4 Smart Player. Next, produce without a controller. And when you're all set up, you just click finish. It'll render into a video, and then we're going to need some kind of screencast player. I'm going to use, if you look up here, screencast.com, which is a TechSmith product, Alright, so we got that all rendered. I'm going to go to my TechSmith, upload, choose file. I want to choose the Camtasia file. I want to choose the video file. It'll take a minute. Alright, here we are. See, it stops at the end of that first slide after 5 seconds. Get started. I'm on my table of contents. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like everything's working. Just make sure here. Alright, looks like we did it okay. So, there we go, guys. Using interactive hotspots to make your Camtasia project interactive. Alright, thank you.